Hello everybody, welcome in this video. So today video I will explain you what are the things you can do in case you have issue with the sound. So sometime your phone sound is not working, so you need to check what went wrong, especially like you're receiving a call from a friend on WhatsApp or any other app. You found out that he cannot hear you but you can hear him, or the opposite. There is something wrong anyway. So first thing you can check over here is like you need to clean the sound output here, like this holes here. You need to clean with something to make sure that there are no dust. That's one thing. So that's step one. Step two, you have to check that there are no Bluetooth devices connected. For that you need to go to your settings and you go to Bluetooth, as you can see here. So here the Bluetooth is turned off. Still can turn it on if I want, but it's not the purpose. So in case some devices is connected, you will have it here. So turn off the Bluetooth. That's the second check you can do. Alright, so other thing that you can do is like this setting in privacy. Go here to settings and you go down here to privacy. So privacy, we can check for camera access and microphone access. So this one, for example, it can be turned off. You just have to turn it on. So that's another thing. Also, what you can check is you go to one of the apps. So you have issue with Messenger, you keep clicking on it. Then you will have app info, and here you click on permissions and you have the microphone and phone should be allowed. Means you can do calls normally, right? That's very important one. So here you have multiple ways to check what went wrong with the sound, either from the Bluetooth or like some permissions, some privacy issue. And that's it. So click the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you like tech content, and let's catch up again. Bye.